gratitude, show you the real me, and all the kind of moves. Show you what is my talent, show me the pureness, show me what I got in my soul. I wanna know, yeah, look at you from different angles. I just wanna figure it all out in time. All the different moves that I'm gonna look and think of further in further line. Yeah. Don't close the door for me now. Let me in, I will enter if I don't open the door. Don't close your heart for me. I'll be the good man, yeah. I don't want the world, different kind of life stories, all the different people that you really made, yeah. I'm so fascinated by every little thing that I do. Just helping the hand, look at the others and what improve yourself. I'm looking further in line now, just taking steps towards you, and look back in time, which you can heal all the bad and the good, yeah. Looking back all the time, no, I know it's new and never. Don't close the door for me, I will enter. Don't close the door for me, and I'm show you that I'm a good man. I show you my gratitude. I show you different kind of moves and show me the real me now. I wanna impress you, just be myself. Hope you like it. Nothing more that I couldn't do. Don't close the door for me, no. Let me in. Don't close the door for me, no. I will enter. Just let me see, and let me see how good I am. I'm a good man. Oh,